In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for our final drain pan removal. I'm going to go ahead and grab my creeper and get started for you. Once you've drained all of the trans fluid out of the pan that you can, as you see we got just a little bit of a drip, we're going to push the transmission pan back up flush to the transmission body. We're going to take out the bolts that we loosened but did not remove at this time. You're going to want to still keep your drain pan close to the trans and ready available so you can tip the transmission pan down to it and allow the oil to escape. We'll take the bolts and put them in your magnetic tray and very carefully tip the trans pan down to your drain pan. Now if you take a little time here, you'll save a lot of time for the actual cleanup process. Right there. And that is the proper way to complete the removal procedure of your transmission pan.